Hey everyone, I'm Nima and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about fennel seeds, a spice which is super amazing. There are many different ways to use and utilize it in cooking. And in this video we're basically going to talk about what fennel seed actually is, where does it come from, which countries and regions use it the most, how can you use it, how can you keep and store it, and a lot more. So if you want to learn about fennel seeds, keep watching this video. What are fennel seeds? So before everything, I just wanted to let you know that fennel seeds are not technically seeds, but they're fruits. They're fruits of the sweet fennel plant. But why do we call them seeds? Well, because they just look like seeds. They're small, they're usually consumed in a dry form. The color of it is usually like dark brown, you know? So we just call them seeds, that's why. And fennel seeds have a slightly sweet and licorice taste, and they're highly aromatic. It has an oval shape, and while it's connected to the plant, it's very green, bright green. But as soon as it dries out, it gets a like dark green brownish color, you know what I mean? And fennel seeds are mostly used in Indian cuisine, Italian cuisine, and in the Middle East. How to use fennel seeds? Well, fennel seeds can be used in both sweet and savory dishes, and you can use it as a whole or you can grind it up and use it as a powder. And they're usually used in sausages, like in Italian sausage. Fennel seed is one of the main ingredients, or in marinara sauce. A little bit of fennel seeds make it so much better, you know. And you can use it as a dry rub for pork in general. Fennel seeds goes really nice with pork. You can use it for salmon, but make sure to crack your fennel seeds before you want to use it as a rub. Like just crack it with a back of a saute pan and then use it as a rub. You can use fennel seeds in soups and stews. Make sure to use it at the beginning of cooking process for all the flavor and aroma. When is the beginning of cooking process? Whenever you're basically sweating your aromatic vegetables, sweating onion, carrots, celery, whatever you have, you know. At that time, add some fennel seeds to it, so at the end of the cooking process, you can actually smell the aroma of it. But whenever you're using whole fennel seeds, like for example in sausages, make sure to roast your fennel seeds before you want to use it, because whenever you roast something, you basically bring out all the oil. Because of the heat basically brings out all the oil, and it's more flavorful and more aromatic. Fennel seeds are one of the main ingredients to make the chai drink because it's highly aromatic and it makes it really nice, you know. And lastly, in India and Pakistan, they have roasted fennel seeds, and after each meal, they just chew on it. They believe it helps digest the food, you know, it helps digestion. Is it actually true? Well, I'm not sure, you know. If you think you've learned something watching this video so far, please hit that like button down below so YouTube will show this video to more people who are interested to learn about fennel seeds. Thank you. What to keep in mind when buying fennel seeds? Well, if you buy fennel seeds from a supermarket, make sure to find the greenest one. Because as fennel seeds age, as they get older, they lose their colors and they get like the green brown color, you know what I mean? So whenever you want to buy fennel seeds, make sure to buy the greenest one you can find. How to keep and store fennel seeds? Well, basically just like any other spice, you should keep it in an airtight container in a dry, dark, cool place. And if you really keep your fennel seeds well, they can keep their aroma, fragrant, and flavor for up to 10 to 12 months, which is really nice. Alright everyone, this is the end of the video. I hope you learned something watching this video. If you want to support me, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like my videos as you watch them. Thank you, and until the next video, I will see you all later. Thank you.